Hi, I'm Julia. I graduated from London College of Communication in 2015. At the moment, I work as a senior interior designer here at Temza, which is an interior design and construction company. I think the thing I love most about designing is that you're giving from yourself every day, and every time you see a project that you worked on, you appreciate the fact that there's so many other people's work went into it. The client who trusted you with the money, with the time, or all of these people's work coming together based on your ideas. I mean, that's quite magical. In the beginning, I was just looking at what can I learn from everyone that's around me and how can I move forward, learn, incorporate these experiences and kind of keep at it and figure out what I like to do and try to do a little bit more of that every day. And I think step by step I got to a point where now I really enjoy what I'm doing. I have lots of creative input. I'm around people who I really understand. We have the same mindset, we have the same passion. We can talk about like minute design details for hours in depth because they kind of share this passion. So I think my favorite project so far that I've worked on here was a restaurant in Gloucester Road called Paramount Lebanese Kitchen. It was really exciting because the brand is established already in USA and Canada, and just last year they launched in London as well, but they didn't know much about the market in London and how, you know, the branding is, what the clientele's like, what's the expectation of people when they go into restaurants. In the end, they were so appreciative of it. They said, thank you so much because the concept that you did, it actually really works. And now they are using design elements that we came up with for this restaurant in the new locations as well, not just in London but in worldwide. So it was definitely a great experience. The thing that was most important to me that I left with, that I didn't have when I started studying at LCC, is the community that's there. And I was lucky enough to make friends from other courses as well. So I know people from graphic design or other courses as well. And that's so brilliant because even now, when I needed a logo and the branding done for one of the projects, I could just text my friend and be like, hey, can you help me out? Because I need this. With the course like kind of interior design or spatial design or design for branded spaces, still there's so many professions you can go into. So it's really good that they have the option to experiment with all these different things, because even within spatial design there's so many disciplines. So you can be a very technical designer, you can go into kind of marketing and PR, you can be very conceptual. It's good that university preps you for that, and they taught me how to research and think creatively, come up with your ideas, develop those ideas further, and they pushed my design thinking and they gave me confidence as a designer.